next? I'm only a minute into this video, too. Please turn the turn plate to the position of the red line shown. It just wants basically it to be a perfect line across. Alright, so this is not how I was expecting the next part. So we're going to use these to attach to the bottom of this to attach like this to this plate. But I want to make sure I got the right orientation. Which it doesn't look like it matters too much. Alright, so if these little lines are here, which I'm looking at this part right there, then the cord needs to go that way. So it should be lined up like this, which doesn't feel like this thing really wants to sit into place well. Which it might be because this inner thing doesn't want to sit in there. It's kind of hard to focus. Let's see if they do something special with it. No, not really. I just kind of set it into place. Let's think. So we don't really have to worry about anything falling apart at this point. And besides actually like breaking something. Always gotta worry about that. Okay, I wonder if the teeth just aren't sitting in right. It looks fine now. It just kind of looks like it needs to be like, I wouldn't say torqued. I don't know if that's the proper term. I mean, I struggle with plastic bags. I don't know why. Alright. So what it's showing is once this is aligned properly, this is what it looks like. I'm going to take these. I'll go to the opposite corner. And we'll take a look inside. It's a little bit hard to focus. It does look like it's set in there well. Guess we're gonna learn this the hard way. And the last one. Okay, that might focus a little bit better. I mean, it's good enough, right? Basically, it's showing to put a screw down in that. I don't know if it's wanting to set it or to actually screw it into place, because again, this tutorial basically is just like a picture on top of the picture, which is kind of weird. that makes any sense. So what I'm thinking, oh, it is magnetic, thank God. I'm gonna hold the screw into place. There we go. It's gonna be kind of hard to see because of the light. Now it's definitely not gonna be something with a torque because I'm not sure if that's actually supposed to be screwed into place or not. So we did that. Next step. So what I'm looking at right now is these. So I know it's not this one because in the tutorial it shows this little silver piece and that. Plus there's no wire, so it has to be one of these two. And I'm assuming, yeah, the models are the same. So hopefully it doesn't matter which one you use. Okay, let me take this. What is this? All right. So it's kind of showing like that, but it looks like it should set in there better, like that. All right. There's a dot on it. Maybe that's what matters. No, because they're both in that weird position. Alright, 2x2, 5mm self-taping screw. That's not on the manifest. This is supposed to be the M2x5 screw, which I'm assuming is what they're talking about. Should be these little dudes. It's not gonna show because the plastic. Okay, so they show 3 screws that we're gonna start on this side. The problem is, oh, looks like there's a lint or something on it. I thought that was a crack. I was about to say, like, what the heck? So it looks like there's gonna be one here and this one here and 3, and then one here and that one, which kind of looks like it's gonna be a pain to do. I completely forgot where to. Alright. Get the. So I'm assuming we're doing it on both sides, so I'm just gonna go ahead and pull 6 out. Those little dudes. Alright. So get this close enough to where you'll be able to see, but hopefully not so close that I'm not gonna be able to see what I'm doing. So, I know for a fact we're going in on 1. Actually, let me see. So it looks like it should be sitting like this. Like it's not actually sitting all the way down. Which is also one thing I didn't pay attention to at first. So there we go. Oh, that did not set perfectly. It's not setting well either. This is why I hate screws. Alright. Alright. It doesn't help that I have to like hug around this giant freaking phone arm that I have on my desk. Just kind of cool, to be honest, but kind of annoying. Okay, so I'm just gonna leave that in place, even though it's not really properly set, but just to kind of hold it. So then if I get these other two in right, I should be able to pull that one out and then set it properly. In theory. So this last one is gonna go back here. Which I would assume this one's the most important to set properly. Because if it doesn't, then it's gonna sit right on that wheel. So, pull that out. Yep, and then it goes in with a lot less force. So I'm probably gonna have to undo it a little bit. Although on the other side, we're only using 2, and it looks to be here and here, which is strange. Which almost feels like I need to take the silver piece off to put it in, which doesn't really make sense. So I don't want to do that either, just in case it's like torqued to a certain spec. That's not do it too tight. So yeah, so definitely there's supposed to be a space. And then the next one, which does it say anything about taking that off? The video thing literally just shows it going straight through it. Which, nah, because they're built the same. So basically, this little hole right here is supposed to be where the other screw goes, which is kind of a pain. Like, I don't want to take it. I wonder how hard it is to take this off and put it back on. Or no, that's set in there. Okay, yeah, I don't want to screw with that. That doesn't sound good. Well, I'm gonna have to set it for now the way it is.